Hello everyone, this is Randolph Parker. I'm working on a computer power supply. As you can see, I received 5 of these units today. It came in, I believe this one is dead, so I'm going through the power supply, looking at the solder joints and connections to see what. And then I did suspect that there were some solder opens, so I'm reflowing solder later to see if it would turn on. This particular HP computer power supply is obsolete, discontinued, so I'm trying to revise it now. Again, this is Randolph Parker, MS. Visit me at my website, www.rpssystemsllc.com. Thank you, and have a good day. Yeah, this is Randolph Parker again. I am actually doing a voiceover, so I have more of the video to finish. So I'm using this power tester that I got from Amazon to act as a load. So it does work, but it's specifically for particular different power supplies. So it's not quite for this one, but I'm gonna make it work so I can use it. So there you have it. This is Randolph Parker, RPS.